Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Ness. Today I'm going to share with you guys the best color tee that go well with your biker leather jacket. So all this color tee that you're going to see in this video is they from Uniqlo. The reason why I bought it from Uniqlo is I think Uniqlo produced very affordable price on their t-shirt and they're only $15, so you don't really expect the high quality of the tee. To me, in my opinion, I think you shouldn't spend no more than $20 for a t-shirt. I think it's you're crazy if you spend more than $20 for a t-shirt. I picked Uniqlo because they have a range of the colorways for me to choose from, and all these color that I picked to go with my leather jacket, they are the best in my opinion. And before you ask me where I get this leather jacket, is it's not from their official website. It's from Schottnyc factory sale, their annual sale. So they, in the end of every single year, they happen only once a year. So I don't think you can find it unless you go to their sample sale to get this leather jacket. This leather jacket, we got it only 300 bucks. So pretty cheap and pretty good quality too. It's pretty much it's the same quality with the official one. It's just some pattern that the cut is different. It's just different cut. My favorite color is black, so I don't want to use black. I want to try to avoid like some safe color to style with this leather jacket. So let's get into the way how I style them. And if you like this video, give me a thumb up. If you like one of the color that how I style with the leather jacket, also comment below in the comment section, and I will see you soon on the next video.